Every yacht owner knows the importance of a guest experience, yet 80% of all yachts are built without a chef's input in any phase of the galley. The results: inefficient layouts, frustrated crew, and service results subpar to what your guests expect. Worst of all, these mistakes lead to costly refits, sometimes even just a couple years after launch. At Superyacht Galley Designs, we solve that problem. With over 25 years of operational experience on some of the best charter programs in the industry, we can lay out and equip a galley that will suit your needs immediately, not needing a costly refit. At Superyacht Galley Designs, we solve that problem with over 25 years of chef experience on some of the busiest and best charter yachts in the industry. I bring professional insight directly into the build process. From 80 meters to 150 meter flagships, our designs maximize workflow, eliminate inefficiencies, and elevate the guest experience from day one. Investing in a chef-designed galley means investing in a smoother service, happier crew, and long-term value for your yachts, avoiding that very costly refit. Investing in a chef-designed galley means investing in smoother service, happier crew, and long-term value for your yacht.